I'm sitting here wondering if this can actually save my engine. In my previous video, I found a crack in the engine block, and reading through the comments, I noticed most of you say I should take it to an engineering shop to have it aluminium TIG welded. But then some of you also recommended this epoxy. So now I'm thinking the engineering shop which I spoke to can only work on the bike next week. And they say there's a risk when they do the TIG weld, which is that the heat of the weld can maybe damage some of the internal parts of the engine. So I'm thinking to avoid that risk, maybe I should try this, because with this, all you need to do is clean out the area of the crack and make sure that there's no oil residue, and then mix these two things and then apply it. But I guess the only way to find out is to do it. Okay, so from what I can see, the crack isn't really in like the structural part of the engine. It's more in this part that guides the chain, which sounds like a good thing. But then also, if I can't fix this crack, then I basically have to replace this engine. But before I take this risk, I would just like to understand what the options are. If I do the TIG weld, basically what they do is they take the crack and then they carve out a V-shape profile on the line of the crack, and then they do the TIG weld like that. But then with this option, all I need to do is basically clean out the crack with brake cleaner and then mix this two and then seal it like that. Wait 24 hours and then it should be fixed. So now I'm thinking maybe what I should do is, currently the crack is like this. And when I take it to the engineering shop, basically what they're going to do is carve out a V like that and then weld this entire section. So for me now, what I think I should do is also carve out a V, but a much smaller V like this, and then remove this part. That is a very good job. I love the Dremel tool. Now I just need to take some brake cleaner, and then I'm going to make sure that the crack is 100% clean before I do the epoxy. 50% of the one and 50% of the other to fill this like that. Look, I get it. The right thing would have been to replace the engine, but I'm just thinking if a little bit of epoxy can help me to save this engine, yeah, that must be worth a try, eh?